Okay guys, so you absolutely need to try making this Instant Pot pasta. I get it, if you're skeptical about cooking pasta in your Instant Pot, just do it. I swear, if you follow this recipe, you're gonna do a great job. It does not get mushy, the noodles stay very nice and al dente, and it's just delicious. It's so like hands off. You can literally just dump everything into your Instant Pot and walk away. I love it, and it really doesn't take that much time, so I'm gonna stop talking and start eating. Comfort food, you know? I'm very glad I made this. I will see you in my next meal. Hello everyone, welcome to dinner. It got a little bit warm out today, suddenly at the end of this fine day. It's sunny and got a little warm. I'm even wearing shorts, so I didn't really feel like cooking warm thing, so I decided to make chicken salad, and we're gonna eat it in wraps. So if you point your attention to my cutting board here, I've got some soy curls that I soaked and I chilled in the fridge and I chopped them up. Like, how realistic does that look? Like, this looks and has a very similar texture to that of meat, like chicken. So this makes a great substitute for tuna salad, chicken salad. It absorbs flavors like no other. So what I'm gonna do is I got a bowl. I've already done some of the prep because you guys don't wanna watch me chop veggies. I got some white onion and some celery in here just for some extra crunch, texture, and flavor. And I'm going to just add my chicken or soy curls into the bowl. And I'm just gonna add a few seasonings and things to make it taste a little better. So I've got some old-fashioned Dijon, probably, oh, hello, about maybe 2.5 tablespoons. And I also have this really good plant-based mayo. If you're in Canada and you can go to a superstore, try out President's Choice mayo. It's so good. It like literally tastes just like egg-based mayo, but it's vegan, and it's like hands down my fave. So I'm gonna add quite a lot, probably about a 1/4 cup of mayo, just because I'm making such a big batch of this. This is like a double batch, so I can have some tomorrow for lunch. And I just need to quickly chop up some gherkin pickles because this is gonna add an extra tang and sweetness and deliciousness. Here we go, gherkin pickles chopped up. Now, if I had dill pickles, I'd probably use those, but Dad doesn't really like dill pickles, so gherkins are what we're using. So I'm gonna add like just a little splash of the pickle liquid just to kind of give it a little extra flavor, make it a little more saucy. And some salt, black pepper. Ooh, garlic powder. I should use garlic powder. Sorry. This is really just one of those like winging it kind of dinners. It's literally taken me like less than 2 months to get through this whole thing of garlic powder. Just saying, I think I have a problem with garlic powder. Okay, let's mix it up. See what we got here. It does smell really good. I dare say it kind of smells like chicken salad. Man, when I was a teenager, like in high school, this was my jam. Like, I had tuna salad sandwiches like all the time, chicken salad sandwiches. I would just like eat that stuff like it was going out of style. So it has been, honestly, a really long time since I've had anything like a tuna salad, other than like using chickpeas. This is the first time I've used soy curls to make this, so I have a lot of confidence that it's gonna be delicious. Okay, let's find out. I'm gonna have a mouthful. Aha. Thank you, come again. That is so good. I don't need to do anything else with this. This is amazing. Okay, yay, I'm very happy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put together a few really quick wraps. One for me, one for Brad. Okay, got some romaine. Let us commence the eating. I get so excited when I know I'm about to eat some good food. Like seriously, how legit does this look? I'm like shook, you guys, I'm shook. Don't judge my wrapping. I'm not particularly good at this. Okay, let's see. Ah! Shoot! No! okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Let's recover this. I may have overfilled it. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. You know what? It's okay. I think if I just eat this right now, it'll be fine. If I put it back down on the plate, I think I'm doomed, so. Bon appetit!
All right, I think that's a wrap.
That is a wrap. It's literally a wrap. Good one. Behold, dessert. These I made earlier today and I filmed them for a recipe video that's might be up on the channel before this video. So you probably can just check out the recipe right up here. These are my black and white jam bites. They're so good. 2 layers of chocolate. We've got vegan white chocolate on the bottom and semi-sweet chocolate on top. And in the middle, there's a nice little blob of my blueberry chia jam, which is a recent video as well that I put on my channel for you guys to check out. So good, so good. And while this may not be a high protein dessert or snack, you can make it high protein. If you want, you can put peanut butter, you can mix your peanut butter with some protein powder and put it in there, add some hemp seeds. There's many different ways, so. But for now, I'm just gonna eat this as it is, a delicious 2-bite dessert. Oh my God. You see this? Well, you guys, it has been a day and I'm glad you guys tuned in for what I ate today. I tried my best to eat as high protein as I realistically could today, and I think I did a pretty good job. Everything was pretty delicious and simple to make, and I hope that you guys try out some of these recipes. They're all down below in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below. I've got tons of other great videos for you to check out, and I hope you guys stick around for another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!